Do you want to live by the lake? Are you looking for peace and quiet? A place with kilometers of trails to walk your dog right from your front door? And of course, all this for under $600,000? Welcome to 85 Mullin Drive right here in Guelph. With 1,350 square feet, it's the largest new builds for the price in all of Guelph, and you're gonna love it. Everybody knows if they're looking for a brand new townhouse, location is what truly matters. I mean, you're not gonna live in a place you don't even wanna be. Live by the lake, Reed's Homes are one of the best locations for any new townhouse development in Guelph. Why? That's easy. We back right on to Guelph Lake Sports Fields and Guelph Lake Conservation Area. So right from your front door, you have kilometers and kilometers of trails that can take you down the Speed River all the way to downtown. On top of that, we are in a mature subdivision, so we're insulated from any main intersection, so it is quiet and of course, quick in and out. You're on the northeast end of the city, so you're quick out Highway 7, north at Highway 6, and of course Woodlawn Road out to the Tri-Cities. It is the perfect location. Now I know the next thing that's going to really matter to you is the unit. There's no need for upgrades because these are fully loaded. Upgraded kitchen, quartz countertops, upgraded trim, appliances, fridge, stove, washer, dryer, all of that's included in this new build. The second thing you got to know is we have 1,350 square feet. I encourage you to go around to any new build that are offering stacked towns and ask them about their square footage. Ours is the largest. I absolutely love this layout. As soon as you come in the front door, you have your kitchen and your dining area. The key here is you have ceramic tiles all the way up to the living room, and you have this big, beautiful window from your kitchen to your dining room all the way outside, which adds tons of natural light. Light is very important, okay? We're in a townhouse, so we don't have windows on this side. So it's important we have massive windows on either side, and lucky for you, that's exactly what's here. It's all about the little features at 85 Mullin Drive. The wood railings, the oversized two-piece washroom, and then of course one of my favorite rooms, the living room. Wall to wall, laminate floors, but it's the light that comes in from the back, which is really, really important. You'll catch the sunset right back here. We have double windows on the side, double French doors, and of course, because this is a main floor unit, you can walk right out to a back deck, which would be perfect for barbecues, and you have a fully fenced yard, which is perfect for your dogs to let them out for a pee. But beyond that, we have a great view. We have green space that runs along the back of this block, and past that is the retaining pond. You have tons of privacy and you don't have to worry about anybody looking in from a higher unit. And now the basement, where we have 2 bedrooms, full 4-piece washroom, and your washer and dryer. Now I know what you're gonna say. Ty, the bedrooms are in the basement? Yes, they are. But they have these massive 4-foot windows in each room, letting in tons of natural light. So you do not feel like you're in a traditional basement bedroom. These are warm, cozy, and on top of that, the bedrooms are large. Each of them with double closets, and it's really the perfect place for you to unwind, relax, and enjoy the rest of the night. The last thing you need to know if you're gonna live by the lake is who the builder is. What are you buying? Well, I can tell you this, we've got 3 generations with this family. Reed Homes. Melville Reed started this company in 1947, followed by Richard Reed and then his son, Nathan Reed. These guys aren't flashy guys. You won't see them all over the news. But one thing you will see is a quality product. Whether it's a $5 million mansion or a stacked townhouse for $569,000. The one thing that you can rely on is it's a quality build and they back up their product. So there you have it. Now you've got everything you need to know to buy one of these townhomes. Location, quality, oversized townhouse unit built by a reputable family that's been in the industry for years. Guys, if you have any questions, give me a call, give me a text today. I can't wait to show you this unit and any other one that's available.